Okay, so now I'm recording. Do you
Okay.
remember last time? So last time,
Uh,
the game I
I,
showed you. Oh, wait, I have to share my screen too. Wait a sec.
okay.
Entire screen. There we go.
Yep, I can
Okay.
see right now.
Yes. So last time, the only thing that you could see is you can, for example, uh, choose a profile. Like just call it player one, and then you can join, and then you have some lobbies, right? You want to learn French, then you can join, and then you
Yeah,
could not do anything, right?
yeah,
Now you can
absolutely.
start the game. So now let's
Yeah.
just try and do that. Player two, join lobby, go into French. You can see player two has joined the room, and now we have
Yeah, that's the,
player three, join lobby, play French, right? So now when you press start the game, obviously this is test mode, so the timer is gonna go really fast. But
yeah.
basically, one person has to describe, then they get a time to draw in, and then there's time to discuss in, and that just
Yeah.
happens all the time, right? So if we press start the game, all players start at the same time. You can
Oh,
see,
that's so cool.
yeah, you can see is the turn of player one, right? Describer,
Yeah,
player one, and player
yeah.
one can draw, right? So now it's player two,
Oh, yeah.
they can draw. This is player two, right? This is player one, this is player three. They cannot draw, but player two can draw, right? And the others can
Oh,
see it. So
yeah.
player three can now choose a word, and let's say they have chosen square, right? So while
Okay.
the describing a square, they can draw it, whatever, and the others can guess it. Um, of course, it goes really fast because there are three phases, right? Right now, you have a whiteboard phase, and it is a little
Yep.
bit longer than the other phases just to showcase that you can draw. That's it, right? But you have a describe
Oh,
phase, right? You saw it really shortly. There's a describe phase, a whiteboard phase, and a discussion phase, right? So
oh,
very soon you should be able to see a discussion phase. Yeah, discussion, describe, right? Now player
oh,
three.
cool.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
that's actually all we have done. That's all there is to it now.
Yeah,
Uh,
so,
the next thing we need to do is add the words for people to choose when the round starts, and the point
okay.
system, um, and maybe
Oh,
also colors to the thing.
oh,
That's it.
yeah. Colors would be
Any
good.
any questions, man?
Actually, I don't have a question right now. I guess colors will be good in my opinion.
Yeah, because then yeah, of course, the colors would be nice, right? Because if you
Yeah.
draw an apple, it's not gonna be black, right?